Today, I'm cooking one of my absolute favorite dishes in the entire world. It's called a Loco Moco. And from my understanding, it was developed in a diner in Hawaii. And it's more or less a dish for starving students. And since it was developed in a diner setting, I'm going to attempt to try and make it in under 10 minutes because I believe the serving time for most foods, especially in a diner, is 10 to 15 minutes at the most before people start to get impatient. So we're going to attempt to make this dish in under 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes are going. Let's set this to about medium high. I would imagine the majority of the time is going to be taken up by actually the cooking of the hamburger. So what you'll need for this dish is some type of hamburger. I'm using a frozen, this is a frozen hamburger put out by Butcher Box, which these are absolutely delicious, and you 100% should try these out. We have various things that are going to go into the sauce, and we're going to mix it up into an old jar here. All right, let's get the burger on. Now, according to the directions, it said 5 minutes on one side and then about 3 minutes on the other. So in the meantime, we're going to start to put together the sauce, or the gravy as they call it. So let's move this out of the way. All right, so we start with 3/4 of a cup of beef stock. I would imagine chicken stock or whatever else would be fine. This is going to be just kind of a guesstimate. That should be close enough. All right. Your next piece is 2 teaspoons. Now I'm making this for one hamburger. Double this recipe and I'll write it all down in the description. 2 tablespoons of corn starch. That's just your thickening agent for the gravy. A little extra because I like my gravy on the thick side. And then a teaspoon of sugar. Now, if you like Hawaiian food, this is going to be a real treat. Okay, any more dry ingredients to go in there? No. All right, so the next thing up is a teaspoon of ketchup. This recipe is based on Chef John of Food Wishes. Okay, next is the Worcestershire sauce, and with that it says half a teaspoon, but I like Worcestershire sauce, so I'm going to put an entire teaspoon, or close to it. All right, then your next thing is 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. I have this amino acids. It's the same thing as soy sauce, or at least it tastes very similar. So we're going to add that in there. And then finally, just because I like it, I'm going to add in a small splash of sesame oil. Okay, let's shake her up. That looks good. Okay, a little salt and pepper here we're going to put on the burger over here. Oh, let's get that pan going. Now you want to get your burger a little bit, I'd say pretty close to well done on this one. Oh man, time's counting down fast. Got 4 minutes left. Only got 4 minutes left. See how we're going to manage this. You can throw you in some mushrooms, various things like that to make it a little bit better if you want it. Want a nice crispy crust on your burger. Ah, burger looks delicious. I don't know if it's going to get ready in time. The rice is counting down. 2 minutes on the rice. 2 minutes on the stove. That hamburger is way too rare. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start serving up. Oh no, the rice isn't even ready yet. Holy mackerel. I started a wee tad too early. Okay, maybe 10 minutes was a bit ambitious. There's your gravy. This is the secret. I hear the rice cooker going off. Under a minute. Not gonna make it. Not gonna make it. Alright, I'm dishing up the rice. Now a lot of people put a fried egg on top. Unfortunately, I'm allergic to eggs. But oh, I didn't make it. The way that people like it is with a soft cooked egg. Almost. Almost. There's the rice. Oh, didn't quite make it. I'm just going to leave it on to annoy me. Changed my mind. It's annoying me too much. Okay. Let's get the burger on top here. Right on the rice. Okay, we're going to let that sit while we prepare our gravy. Okay, that's going to boil and thicken a bit. Ah, looking good. Now you can allow this to thicken as much or as little as you want. Off. I think that's thick enough, and I think we can cut off our fan too. It's starting to get on my nerves. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's put the sauce over it. There we have it. Loco Moco. Oh, we're going to go do a taste test and see how this is. All right, let's give her a try. Not bad, if I do say so myself. Well, because of the cook time on the burger, it did take more than 10 minutes, but not much more than 10 minutes. So this is a quick, easy supper for you guys. Have anytime you want. So try the recipe. I'm going to leave the all the instructions, the recipe, down in the comment or down in the description section. And if you wouldn't mind, while you're there, how about hitting subscribe on my channel? Tomorrow I'm going to make some homemade cookies. I know I've been promising that, but I am. And if you like this recipe and you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button for me. And if you didn't like it, well, hit the like button anyway. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys take it easy. Until then, this is Dr. J. Over and out.